So guys, here in this video, I'm going to give you a course which is Python Basic course. In that course, you are going to learn about variables and data types, loops, conditions, functions, modules, final project. As a final project, we are going to build a simple calculator and a simple user data management system. And our course module is Introduction to Python and Python Basic, Control Structures, Functions, Data Structure, and Object-Oriented Programming, and working with files and modules and libraries, and also final project. So our first module, Introduction to Python. In that module, we are going to talk about what is Python and why we use Python. And our next topic is Python Basic. In that topic, we are learn about the variables and the data type, and also string and string operations, and the user input and output, and the numbers and arithmetic operations. And our next module is control structures. In that module, we are going to learn about if-else statement and the loops, which is for loop and a while loop. And our next module is functions. In functions module, we are going to learn about how to define a functions and how to we call a functions, and how to add parameters to function, and how to add the recalling value with functions. So our next topic is data structures. So in that topic, we are going to learn about the list, tuple, dictionaries, and arrays. So we are learning about how we can call dictionaries and tuples, and how we can add value to them, and how we can delete, how we can insert basic quad operations we are doing with data structures. And also we are taught about the object-oriented programming, WOP basic. So in that module, we are taught about the identify the class and object, and also attribute and inheritance. So our next module is working with files. In that module, we are taught about the read file and write file using Python. And our next module is modules and libraries. In that module, we are taught about how we can import libraries to our code. Example, they have a maths library and OS library. I will show you how we can import the libraries to code. And also they have a final module is a final project. We are going to build these two applications using what we learned so far in this course. So guys, let's go to the our first module, Introduction to Python. So what is Python and why use it? So Python is a general purpose programming language. It is used in website development, as a front end and the back end, and data science and machine learning, Internet of Things, and search engine optimizations, and desktop application. It is Python is very popular because it is very easy to learn, and it can run many platforms. So how to install Python and IDE? So in this course, I am going to code in with Visual Studio Code. So you can just go to the Google and search Visual Studio Code, and you can download it. If you don't know how to install it, you can refer the YouTube, and they have a lot of videos about how to install Visual Studio Code to base on your operating system. And you also need to install the Python. So just go to the python.org and you can download it. Same as Visual Studio Code. If you don't know how to install Python, go to YouTube and search how to install Python. So they have a lot of videos in YouTube. So guys, this is the basic Python program. This program is like introducing to yourself to Python. So Python is a high-level language and that easy to read and write. This is program is print hello world. So if we run this program, it will print hello world. So I'm just running this program. I'm opening the Visual Studio Code here. I just need to open VS Code. So here is the Visual Studio Code interface. So I just save this one and I'm running. So you can see here, hello world. So this is how we can run our first hello world program. So in next topic, we are going to talk about Python basic, which is we are going to talk about variables, data types, and also we are going to talk about string and string operations, user input and output, and numbers and arithmetic operation. So see you guys in the next module.